Welcome! In this video, we will talk about consciousness in energy management in our life. I want to invite you to stop for a moment, close your eyes, and get in touch with yourself. Breathe deeply and feel your body. Notice if you have any pain or tension. Just recognize it. What is your emotional state here and now? Can you feel the flow of energy inside your body and the one that surrounds you? Very good. Inhale deeply, and when you exhale, open your eyes. Taking a couple of minutes and stopping during the day to become aware of the energetic processes that are happening within us helps us to open and develop a clear observer and to recognize how we manage our energy, how we deplete and soil it, how we clean and enhance it, and how our energy affects the environment, and the environment affects our energy. Let me tell you that with the practice of Qigong, we open and strengthen our energy flow, generating an increase in our personal power. Therefore, it is important to develop more awareness and take responsibility for our energy management. In everyday life, it is very easy to waste and soil our vital energy, and generally, it happens unconsciously. I will give you some examples. Repressing and suppressing our emotions stagnates and blocks our energy flow. Negative judgments and thoughts generate a dense and dark vibration that clouds our consciousness. Living in fear, worry, anxiety, anguish, and constant anger weakens our energy. Stress absorbs and alters our energy. Negative people and living in dirty or contaminated areas strains and drains our energy. Bad eating habits create an organic imbalance. The use of alcohol, drugs, tobacco, and medications wastes and dirties our essential vital energy. Having sex with people who have dirty or negative energy is one of the most direct ways to absorb that negativity. The important thing is to be aware that when our energy is weakened and stressed, the immune system is depressed and it is easier to lose health and clarity, preventing capacity to enjoy the here and now and develop our consciousness. On the other hand, there are many ways to clean, harmonize, and give a better quality to our lives. Breathing deeply and eating healthy energizes our body. Expressing our emotions helps to release stagnant and blocked energy, and it is very important to learn to let go of what is useless for us. Make an immersion in nature, and being near running water helps balance our energy. Choosing encounters with positive people, being intimate, laugh, even laughing at ourselves, lightens life and opens our heart. Giving ourselves the time and space to be alone and enjoy our company is highly recommended in order to integrate our own energy. Getting enough sleep and resting well refreshes our energy. Body massage eases tensions and improves circulation. Having loving, healthy, satisfying sex and powerful orgasms cleanses and empowers our energy. Now, in order to strengthen your energy, we recommend practicing energy exercises such as Qigong, yoga, martial arts, which balance our brain hemispheres and helps us be more awake and aware. Facing pain with courage and understanding makes us more compassionate. Transcending limitations and obstacles connects us with our spiritual strength. In order to develop and enhance our energy, the following can help. Practicing a spiritual path brings inspiration, connection, enlightenment, realization, and joy. Helping others and giving without feelings of self-importance elevates the spirit. Meditating without judgment, attachments, or rejections, observing what is, brings us into a state of peace and natural mind. Thanking, appreciating, blessing, and recognizing the inherent beauty in life opens the heart instantly. To forgive and forget brings peace of mind and lightens the heart. Marveling at the wonder of life empowers our love within. As we can see, it is important to clean and harmonize our energy in order to realize that what develops it is love, which is our essence, our true nature. Love is expansive. It is the most powerful energy. In itself, it is the energy that gives us the most protection and light in our life, and it arises from within. It is important to recognize that our spiritual evolution is measured in how much we grow in love and wisdom. So there's a lot to consider and reflect upon. You can review what made sense and try to apply it in your daily life. Finally, I can tell you that the practice of Qigong is a very complete path of growth, and in itself facilitates cleaning, balancing, and developing our energy and consciousness. I invite you to discover with your practice the benefits that it can give you.